Good morning, Seahawks. For lunch today, we are having sausage, egg biscuit, hamburgers, fries, tropical fruit, and fresh fruit. Now the weather with Joe.
Today, sunny, high 39 degrees, winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, clear to partly cloudy, low of 32 degrees, winds north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tuesday, sunshine along with some cloudy intervals, high 56 degrees, winds east at 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Thanks, Joel. Today's trivia: what was the first name of the English poet and playwright Shakespeare? A representative from Bethany College will be in the cafeteria during third hour on Tuesday, January 31st. Junior leaders are holding the annual Hoots for Heart 3-on-3 basketball tournament during seminar, beginning on February 1st. All students not currently playing basketball at HHS are eligible to play. Students can sign up in Mr. Ben's room A204. All proceeds will be donated directly to the American Heart Association. Seniors, we want to help you celebrate your success. Bring your letters of acceptance from college, trade schools, armed forces, etc. to Ms. Rice in A office or Mr. Morris in counseling. If you are wanting to take driver's ed, please stop by B office and pick up the registration form. You must be 14 years or older by March 1st, 2017 and have a valid instructional permit when enrolling. Enrollment is due to Bueller High School by February 1st. Congratulations to the freshmen for winning the Crazy Olympics. Here are the top 6 candidates for homecoming: Wyatt Akins, Dylan Chesterman, Connor Craig, Kenyon Maldonado, Carlos Reyna, and Josh Rivas. Annie Blake, Jenna Garcia, Emily Ivy, Braylee Mortar, Micah Tomac, and Yasmin Wright. Now to sports. Congrats for the girls basketball team defeating Junction City Saturday morning. Homecoming Spirit Week is this week. Have a great Monday, Seahawks.